Hello and welcome to Alexandria. We're getting the train today to Cairo. I've got my paper ticket, so let's go. Well, train's not coming for another 17 minutes, so we've got to relax with some train form.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is.
It's just coming now as our train. It's this one here. It only takes 2 hours to get to Cairo. It's called Turbine. Cairo! Oh, this is well smart. Oh, you're not even going to fall through that vestibule. Oh, there's TV screens in back at the seat. No way. This train's well nice. Look at this. Oh, it's even got charging stuff as well. Little footrest, TV screen. This is even more luxurious than a Chinese train. That statement was correct at the time of filming, but I've most recently been back to China and been on these crazy trains. Look at this. Subscribe if you want to watch this video. It'll be coming out shortly. Look how much space there is. You're not even like resting on arm thing. You've got... There's about a foot in between chair and actual end of train. Oh. Comes round and helps you with your seat. Let's have a go. Oh, lovely. Oh my god, have you seen how luxurious this train is? It's absolutely beautiful. Ticket man's here for an inspection. Hiya, you alright? Hello. Welcome. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Check around. Chicken? Alright. Oh, just been given a full meal. Chicken. Oh, knife and fork. Alright. Nice little salad thing and some water. I'm having time of my life. Looking for a toilet. Toilet. Oh, there's there. Oh, lovely. Giving it a good clean for me, thank you. This train's well snazzy. Never thought I'd find somewhere like this in Egypt. Look at this thing, it cleans your bum. Little train toilet bidet, that's amazing. Oh, you even get a little bin. Oh, nice. Do you know what? Standard might even be better because at least you can rest your arm on the side and window. It's weird having about a foot in between your seat and window. UK train. You and me, same job. Yeah, nice to meet you. Oh, look at this. Little CCTV roof. That's good. It just falls too much space. Honestly. Problems in first class. Well, we've made it. There's no such thing as a free meal. I think we're a couple of quid for that meal. And he actually charged me for some boiling water. If you can still hear me. There were a guy that was sat behind me with a couple of kids. On the way out, he said, "You have a YouTube channel or something?" I said, "Yeah, Yorkshireman in China." Yeah, Yorkshireman in China. So I was a little bit reluctant to tell him because I thought, well, if he's a local, he'll come and chop my balls off if he finds out that I'm gay. Right, see you later. Bye.